Hello, back. This is Miss Susan. How are you doing? Today's topic is about multiply fractions. First, multiply fraction with a whole number. If I have, for example, 2 times 2/3. So, let's model it. 2/3 means 2 parts out of 3, and we have already 2 of it. So, as you know, the multiplication is a repetitive addition. This means I should add 2/3 2 times. So it is 2/3 plus 2/3. Let's add fractions. And we have an important condition to add fractions. That we should have the same denominator. So do we have the same denominator? Yes, it's 3. So can we add now? Yes, of course. So what is the rule then? Keep denominator and add numerators. So 3 is the denominator. Keep it as it is. Then add now the numerators. 2 plus 2 is equal 4. So the answer is 4/3. Let's take another example. If I have 3 times 2/3, so it is the same fraction, but 3 of it. Now this means I should add it 3 times. 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3. Okay, so let's check. What is the important condition to add fractions? That to have the same denominator. Do we have the same denominator? Yes, we have. So we can add now. What is the rule again? Keep denominator and add numerators. So what is the denominator? It's a 3. Keep it as it is. Add numerators. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal 6. Or we can simply multiply the whole number with the numerator. So 2 times 2 is equal 4. And that's the same answer. Hooray! Oh my god, it's way much easier. So let's do it here. Multiply the whole number with the numerator. 3 times 2 is equal 6. So, in short, we can say just multiply the whole number with the numerator to get the answer of multiplication fraction with the whole number. Secondly, multiply a fraction with a fraction. Okay, you can multiply fractions without using a model. Or it's not necessary to have the same denominator here. It's just in adding fractions. So, let's multiply 2 fractions. 2/3 times 2/5. Is it necessary to have the same denominator? No. So, how we can multiply? First, multiply numerators together, means numerator with the numerator, and multiply denominator with the denominator. So, numerator with the numerator. 2 times 2 is equal 4. Denominator with denominator. 3 times 5 is equal 15. Please note that all whole numbers have 1 as a hidden denominator. So back again to the whole number. 2 times 2/3. So we can simply write the 2, the whole number, as a fraction by putting 1 as its denominator. Because as you know, 2 divided by 1 is equal the same answer too. So nothing changed here. Now we can implement the same rule that we did in the previous example. How? Multiply numerators together and denominators together. So multiply numerator with numerator is equal 2 times 2 is equal 4. Denominator with denominator, 1 times 3 is equal 3. And it's the same answer. Examples. For 7 times 2/3. Look here to the answer. Multiply denominator with denominator and numerator with numerator. So numerator with numerator, 4 times 2 is equal 8. 7 times 3 is equal 21. Let's multiply here. This is the whole number. So we just multiply the whole number with the numerator, or we can only put 1 down. So 3 times 5 is equal 15, and 6 times 1 is equal 6. 1 times 3, and 3 times 4. So 1 times 3 is equal 3, and 3 times 4 is equal 12. And look here, check with me. Is that the simplest form? No, it is not. Why? 3 is a prime number. But look to the other number. 12 can be divided by 3. So let's check the rules of simplification. Okay, what is the rule here? If you have odd number and one even number, check rule number 4, divide by 3 up and down. So 3 divided by 3 is equal 1, and 12 divided by 3 is equal 4. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please follow and subscribe.